The benefits of having a mobile mill on site are we can process the order pretty quickly for them, we can adapt to changes on site.
We can produce much longer than you can transport. So I think our current record is about 146 metres.
So we've got the mobile mill here on site, and what it's done is allowed us to quickly produce the product and lift it into its final position with ease. There's less chance of any damage happening to the sheet, so you've got a pristine product that's being put in its final position.
We can also punch the holes, which is an efficiency for our customer as well. So they're not drilling up on the roof, the holes are already punched and a lot quicker for them for installing.
Typically, you're looking at a regional job where you can offer the customer costs and savings of material and labour.
The mobile mill arrived on schedule as it was planned. The team have set it up, got it going well. I have to say I've been impressed by the fielders team on site rolling the product and also our local contractors installing it. They've integrated well.
And we add advice to what we've seen through the hundreds of projects we've done, what works and what doesn't work. So we're always here to help and try and assist them to get it done quickly and efficiently for them.